皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to talk about まで. It is used when you want to say something like until you reach a certain point. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Right, let's start learning about how to use まで. So まで can be used to show something happens until a certain point. So from start to the end, or it could be till now or the certain point. So in English, this can translate it into until X or to X or as far as X or to the point of X. So let's look at example sentences. お客さん、どこまで行きますか? When you get on in a taxi in Japan, you will hear this a lot. So you most likely hear this. お客さん、どこまで行きますか? お客さん or お客 that means customer. どこ means where and 行きますか we wanna go. So this means dear customer, where would you like to get to? お客さん、どこまで行きますか? So どこまで until where or to where do you wanna go? お客さんどこまで行きますか? Let's look at the next example sentence. 東京駅までお願いします. So you can respond to the asked question like this. 東京駅までお願いします. Please go to the Tokyo station. So 東京駅まで to the Tokyo station. お願いします means please, but this means, please drive to the Tokyo station. Let's look at the next example sentence. 彼女は昨日まで元気がなかった. 彼女は昨日まで元気がなかった. She was not feeling well until yesterday. So 昨日まで that means until yesterday. Right? 元気がなかった was not feeling well. Next example sentence. そのお店は何時まで開いていますか? そのお店は何時まで開いていますか? そのお店 the shop, the store, 何時 that means what time? 開いている that means being open. So the sentence means until what time does the store stay open? So 何時まで that means until what time? Next example sentence. この車は5人まで乗れます. この車は5人まで乗れます. この車 that means this car. 5人 that means 5 people. 乗る that means to get in. So this sentence means up to 5 people can get in this car. So 5人まで that means up to 5 people. So 5 people is the maximum. Fewer than that, that's fine. You can still get in this car. この車は5人まで乗れます. Next, we are going to look at something that is often used with まで. So the concept of まで is, like this, until a certain point. What about the start? What about when you want to specify the start? You can use から. So you can say A から B まで. A から B まで. So let's look at example sentences with から and まで. 彼は朝から晩までゲームをしていた. 彼は朝から晩までゲームをしていた. 朝 that means morning. 晩 that means night. So 朝から晩まで. 朝から晩まで that means morning to evening or night. ゲームをしていた. Playing game. So the whole sentence means he played the video game from morning till night. So how do I say until I get home, please wait or something like that? So まで shows the concept of, something is happening until the certain point. how do I say like until I get home, stay here. End point is where the action happens. And then until that action, do something. So how do I say that? For example, if you want to say until I get home, you can say 帰るまで or 私が帰るまで. That means until I get home. Right, so let's look at example sentences. お母さんが帰るまでここで待っててね。お母さんが帰るまでここで待っててね。Please wait here until mom comes back. So お母さんが帰る. That means mom comes home. まで. So until mom comes back. ここで待っててね. Please wait here. So you can put a whole sentence before まで and then that means until something happens. Right, let's look at more example sentences. 宿題が終わるまでゲームなし。宿題が終わるまでゲームなし。No game until the homework gets done. So the kid wants to play games, but like he has to finish his homework. So maybe mom or dad, he says, 宿題が終わるまでゲームなし。No game until the homework gets done. Alright, I brought a tweet from Twitter and let's look at real life example sentences. And this one is about Spy Family. Spy Family is an anime that was released recently and it is becoming very popular. And then this, the official account said this. So before this sentence, they said Mission 12 will be next week. Mission 12 will be released next week and it'll be a climax. So I haven't watched this anime yet, but I'm excited to watch it later. But they said 最後までお楽しみください。最後までお楽しみください。And 最後 that means the end. And 楽しむ that means to have fun or to enjoy. So this sentence means please enjoy it until the end. Right, so this was a tweet from the official anime. So I thought that's fun. Let's look at next example sentence. So this one, this person obviously saw TV showing someone is doing wheelie for 13 hours and then ran 500 kilometers. So wheelie is driving a bike while the front wheel off the ground. So he did that for 13 hours and ran 500 kilometers, obviously, which is crazy. And this person, the person who tweeted this said this. 東京から大阪までウィリーで行けるやん。東京から大阪まで。That means from Tokyo to Osaka. ウィリーで行けるやん。You can go there while you're wheeling. So the sentence means you can go from Tokyo to Osaka while wheeling. While you wheeling, I guess, if that's a word. 東京から大阪までウィリーで行けるやん。You can go from Tokyo to Osaka with wheelie. And if you don't know what yan at the end means, it's just, it's like Osaka ben, Osaka dialect, or the Kansai ben, Kansai dialect. And it's the same as like 行けるじゃん. So yan is something similar to 行けるね or 行けますね, something like that. But you can say yan in Kansai dialect. That ending makes it, more friendly, I guess. Alright, today's quiz. Translate these sentences into Japanese using まで. Number 1, please wait until I eat this. Number 2, I can't wait until night. Number 3, I walk from my house to school. Number 4. I was sleeping until midday. I will leave the example answers in the description. Alright, that's it for today. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, thank you for watching until the end. 最後まで見てくれてありがとうございました。またね。